Thank you so much. Cheers here at Southwest. You know we have choice stop in air travel. Do you appreciate you and your business? All right, guys, chug, chug, chug. Let's go.
You're seeing Allegiant 71, wind 170 at 14, gust 20, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
26 right, cleared for takeoff, Allegiant.
Runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, 1098.
Giant 3610, wind 170 at 13, gust 20, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 26 right, Giant 3610.
Rouge 1700, Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
26 right, line up, white Rouge 1700.
Southwest 783, Las Vegas Tower, you up?
Yeah, we are just outside of Reid, so Southwest 783.
Southwest 783, 3.5 trail of a 737, wind 160 at 12, gust 20, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, Southwest 783.
Southwest 2417, right Alpha 5, hold short, runway 26 right.
Alpha 5, hold short, 26 right, Southwest 24.
Allegiant 71, contact departure, see you.
Allegiant 71, get it.
Southwest 2417, traffic in position, cross 26 right, ground point 1.
Cross 26 right, ground point 1, South 2417.
Spirit 422, cross runway 26 right, contact ground point 1.
Cross 26 right, ground 1, Seattle Springs 422.
Crypto 48, make the turn at Alpha 7, cross runway 26 right, contact ground point 1.
Alpha 7, cross 26 right, ground 211, Crypto 3.
Giant 3610, contact departure, have a safe flight.
Contact departure, good day, Giant 3610, thank you. And Tower, just to confirm, we're clear to cross 26 right.
That depends very much on who's asking.
Crypto 48.
Thank you, Crypto 48, yes, cross runway 26 right at Alpha 7.
And Alpha 7, cross runway 26 right, Crypto 48.
Alaska 726, turn right on Alpha, hold short, runway 26 right at Alpha 5.
Right on Alpha, hold short 26 right, Alpha 5. Tower, what's after runway freeway 1805, 10 miles.
Spirit 1805, Las Vegas Air, 3.5 in trail of a 737, wind 190 at 11, gust 20, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 26 left, freeway 1805.
Rouge 1700, wind 200 at 12, gust 20, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear to take off 26 right, Rouge 1700.
Frontier 2127, Las Vegas Air, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
26 right, line up and wait, Frontier 2127. Tower, good afternoon, Sun Country 121 on the visual 26 left.
Sun Country 121, Las Vegas Air, 6 miles in trail of an Airbus 320, wind 210 at 12, gust 20, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 26 left, Sun Country 121.
Southwest 783, turn right Alpha 6, right on Alpha, hold short of Alpha 5.
Right on Alpha 6, Alpha, then Alpha, and then short of Alpha 5, Southwest 783.
Rouge 1700, contact departure, good day.
Departure now, Rouge 1700, so long.
243, wind 200 at 11, gust 20, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
26 right, clear for takeoff, launch into 23.
Southwest 2362 Las Vegas Air, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
26 right, line away, Southwest.
Southwest 1098 right, Alpha 6, hold short, runway 26 right.
Okay, Alpha 6 short, 26 right, straight ahead, 1098.
On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Las Vegas. Ladies and gentlemen, please stay seated, leave the seatbelts fastened, seat belts and tray tables to the upright lock position, and leave your carry-on items stowed. Once the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt signs, you'll be able to get up and about. Be careful opening those overhead bins. The items in the ship could fall out. If you happen to be continuing on to another Southwest flight here in Las Vegas, check the TV monitors inside the terminal for your most up-to-date flight gate information. If you are going to Kansas City on Flight 1098, this is your aircraft and your crew. Stay seated, please. We'll let all our local passengers deplane here in Las Vegas. Once they do, we'll confirm our through count, and at that point I'll make an announcement. You'll be able to move about the cabin. Be advised the front and back and service doors will be open here for ground servicing. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, be careful. It has been a pleasure having you aboard today. We know you have choices when you fly. Thanks for choosing us at Southwest Airlines, and welcome to Las Vegas. Flight attendants, disarm and crush doors for arrival, please.